Hi, welcome to the KULR Technology Group investor presentation. My name is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder CEO of the company. Welcome. First is the forward-looking statements, safe harbor statements. Quick introduction about the KULR Technology Group. We came from a 30-year heritage of developing carbon fiber thermal management technology for space applications. Our products are trusted by NASA to be used on the Mars rover 2020 Perseverance rover on the International Space Station and numerous other aerospace and defense applications. And our mission is to take these space-proven technologies and apply them to the world of lithium-ion batteries, electronics, and to keep them cooler, lighter, and safer. Our customers include the likes of Lockheed Martin, Airbus, Raytheon, and other commercial customers. Our technology targets multiple billion-dollar markets, which we will talk about. And our management team have decades of experience in technology product development, marketing, sales, and public company finances. As excited as we are about the space mission and programs, we're more excited about opportunity to apply our technologies into multiple billion-dollar markets, such as energy storage, EV, and 5G cloud computing infrastructures. The global lithium-ion battery market will hit about $100 billion by 2024, and we believe that battery safety is a critical aspect to enable this multi-billion-dollar market. Our lithium-ion battery recycling industry will grow to about $18 billion by 2030, and the transportation safety is a critical component of that. The EV market is forecast to grow from 3.3 million units in 2019 to over 27 million units by 2030. In the global thermal management materials and device markets is forecast to reach over $16 billion by 2024. They are driven by the proliferation of cloud computing, AI, 5G deployment, where more data, faster network, and smaller devices are driving the need for better thermal management. Our core technology is a carbon fiber matrix material that's very lightweight and conduct heat more efficiently than other materials. On the battery safety side of the solution, our Hydra Thermal Runaway Shield, TRS, is used to produce passive propagation resistant battery systems. And it's on the International Space Station to store astronauts' laptop batteries and the Microsurface Pro safely without the risk of fire and an explosion on board. Our KULR Tech battery safe case, we received the U.S. Department of Transportation special permits to ship batteries up to 2.1 kilowatt hours for recycling, prototype, and DDR batteries. Those are damaged, defective, and recall batteries. Our Lyra ISC device is a technology that NASA invented to test for the battery safety for space applications. KULR was the exclusive licensee and commercialization partner for it since 2019. Now we supply to EV customers, electric aviations, and energy storage customers. ERA is the technology on board Mars rover 2020 to keep the Sherlock instrument operating in ideal conditions on Mars. Here's the number of lithium-ion battery projects that we're engaged in. We have designed a battery cell screening and testing automation system for our DoD and aerospace customers to serve the Strategic Battery Reserve Initiative. We've sourced critical test and automation equipment to build our proprietary test pilot system. We anticipate the system to be capable of processing up to 1.2 million cells per year for 18650 and 21700 cylindrical battery cells. The test pilot program is expected to be fully operational in first half of 2022. On the energy storage side, we expect our energy storage customer to pass UL and state battery safety certifications and enter volume production with us by the end of this year. During Q2, we successfully secured 3 separate U.S. Department of Transportation special permits to allow for the safe transportation of lithium-ion batteries. The special permits allow up to 2.1 kilowatt hour capacity The technology was tested by NASA and used on the International Space Station to store the astronauts' laptop and tablet batteries safe from thermal runaway. We believe that this is the only solution in the market that DOT has approved for storage and transportation of the lithium-ion batteries that can manage up to 2.1 kilowatt hours for all recycled battery for recycled prototype and DDR batteries. And now we're working with battery recycling companies, e-mobility companies, and power tool companies to deploy this solution for commercial use. Here are some of the products on our product roadmap. We've been developing a safe battery pack over the last couple of quarters. Our team has been working diligently to develop this first generation of the smart and safe battery pack platform with inherently safe cells. And they're integrated with KULR's proprietary thermal management technology directly to create a higher performance battery pack. We're targeting drone market as the first commercial application for this product. We expect to showcase that with a customer in Q4. Smart batteries. Our engineering team has been designing a smart battery system that integrate hardware and software together to create a platform to monitor the health of battery cells. Integrating software and hardware with services together will enable better control over data intelligence. Our long-term vision is to provide a completely integrated hardware and software platform to manage battery safety and their thermal stability. We'll showcase more about this technology at our Battery Solutions Day on September 21st. We've also started a research and development initiative using our carbon fiber structure to produce battery cells for higher energy and faster charging capabilities. We believe that fast charging will be the killer app for next generation batteries. Right now, overheating is one of the key limiting factors in advancing this fast charging capability in the industry. We think there might be a way to solve this problem using carbon fiber inside the battery cell to reduce the thermal electrical resistance, which can dissipate heat more effectively. To address this need, we've been developing and testing new battery architectures using carbon fiber matrix to make the battery cooler, lighter, and safer. We work on a thick cathode structure with higher loading factors to enable the cell with higher energy density and new advanced anode structure. There's a lot of work to be done involving these new chemistry and electrochemical stability tests under real life operating and cycling conditions. We want this architecture to work with existing lithium-ion battery chemistry such as NMC and LFP, as well as new chemistry such as solid-state batteries. This is a long-term strategic development for KULR. We hope to provide some preliminary test data at our Battery Solutions Day event on September 21st as well. We take a multi-pronged approach to serve our customers in different markets. Most of our engagements start with engineering, design, and testing services. Once we've developed a customized solution for the customer, we offer them the product for sale or as an IP licensing for high volume customers. This will allow the customer the flexibility to integrate our product into their supply chain more readily, making it more scalable and potentially lower the cost for everybody. It's important for a shareholder to kind of see this and then to know that KULR's business model continue to evolve from being a component supplier to provide more design and testing services to our customers. The next phase of the evolution is to provide a total system solution to address market needs and to scale up as a system provider more quickly and efficiently in markets such as EV energy storage, hypersonic thermal systems. KULR will actively seek partners for joint venture, technology licensing, and other strategic partnership models. The goal is to leverage our thermal design expertise and portfolio of IPs to create market-leading product, which will take to market directly and capture more value for our shareholders. Here are some of the examples of the government in defense and the DoD engagements that we have. We supply the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, with ISC technology to evaluate passenger lithium-ion battery malfunctions that can cause fire and smoke incidents on board the aircrafts. The most exciting event for 2020 was the launch of the Mars rover Perseverance in July, and then subsequently early this year, the rover landed on the red planet. Our heat sink was on the Sherlock instrument to keep the optics and sensors on the rover in optimum conditions. They're literally the eyes and ears of the rover looking for signs of life on Mars. And we work with NASA Marshall Space Center to build 3D printed safe battery systems for manned and robotic space missions. The goal is to be able to 3D print these battery solutions on the moon as part of the Artemis project. We also work with the DoD prime contractors such as Lockheed Martin, Leidos, and others directly on hypersonic, direct energy, and other missile programs. We have announced a number of commercial customer engagements as listed here. The near-term commercialization opportunity for us is to bring the TRS, the thermal runaway shield technology, to energy storage, electrical transportation, and battery transportation markets. On the energy storage side, we've talked about our partnership with Volta Energy for grid and enterprise energy storage products. We've been working very closely with them on testing to meet the new safety regulations. We're excited about this product, and we expect that the product to go into production before the end of the year. We're also the official thermal management and battery safety technology partner for Andretti Technologies. It's the advanced technology arm for Andretti Autosports, founded by Michael Andretti. As part of the alliance, we're building a thermal management testing and design platform for high-performance battery solutions. We're also focused on co-developing, co-marketing battery safety and high-performance thermal management technologies to serve the motorsports world, and eventually to serve the mass market EV applications as well. Since inception, our long-term strategy for growth has always been to co-develop cutting-edge technology in thermal management alongside NASA, Department of Energy, and the DoD infrastructure, while working closely with regulatory bodies, agencies, and international testing organizations. Our intent is to incorporate these technologies into mass market applications. As we deploy these technologies to mass market applications such as energy storage, electric vehicle, we look to leverage our IP across multiple verticals, capitalize on multiple revenue streams to accelerate our revenue growth. As we accelerate our investment, our new technology in the smart batteries, in the battery cell screening and test automation and fast charging batteries, we continue to grow our sales in our foundational aerospace and defense business. Here's a quick overview of our key financials. Our Q2 revenue increased by over 200% year over year, as we continue to make significant investment in all areas of our business to sustain and expand that growth in 2021 and beyond. We raised $6.5 million in equity capital on May 20th, which strengthened the company's balance sheet and helped facilitate KULR to uplist to New York Stock Exchange American Exchange on June 7th, 2021. In addition, the company received approximately $3.7 million in Q2 from exercise of warrants to purchase an aggregate about 3 million shares of common stock, and approximately another $1.5 million from exercise of warrants, about 1.2 million shares in July 2021. So by the end of Q2, we have over $12 million in cash, and we have approximately 5.2 million shares left on warrants. This $12 million cash balance sheet put us in the strongest financial position in the company history. A quick introduction about our management team. My name is Michael Mo. I'm the co-founder, CEO of the company. I've been in the semiconductor technology industry for over 25 years. Keith Cochran, who joined us earlier this year as our president and COO, he had spent 24 years at Jabil, most recently as a senior vice president responsible for their $3.7 billion smartphone manufacturing business in Asia. He comes from a rich background in business operations, supply chain management, and manufacturing automation. Greg Provenzano recently joined us a couple months ago as the VP of Sales and Marketing. Greg has over 35 years of leadership experience in worldwide sales, electronic components, design services, and system solutions across a wide variety of industries. Most recently, he was a VP of Sales at Advanced Energy, and he was a Senior VP at Aero Electronics. We believe that KULR provides a compelling opportunity for investors. We're building a suite of products and services to provide total solution for battery thermal management and safety. We believe this is going to be a critical technology building block for the whole electrification revolution. As industries and regulations demand more sustainable solutions for recycling, clean energy, for the circular economy, KULR is well positioned to enjoy the tailwind, a shift to ESG investment initiatives. We also have an attractive and scalable business model with multiple product lines and revenue streams to serve the life cycle of the battery circular economy. We have tier 1 customers and partners based in government, aerospace, defense, and commercial sectors. We have a strong and growing patent portfolio. Our space-proven battery safety technology is a critical platform play for multiple billion-dollar high-growth markets. And our experienced management team is dedicated to the long-term growth of the company to increase shareholder value. Last but not least, we'll be hosting our inaugural Battery Solutions Day on September 21st. We'll spend about an hour to showcase our latest product developments, as well as commercial deployment with customers and partners. We have a select group of key customers and partners to share with you how we're working together in exciting ways. So we'd love to have all of you to join us, and then join us on September 21st. Thank you so much.